Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I'm going to show you how to use Kittl in order to create laser designs. Super easy, whether it's like AI generated or you can manually create through this as well with hundreds of different graphics um, that is commercial use. So real quick, let me show you like a layout here. We're going to use this create button to create our design, and then after you create designs, it'll show up in this projects options here. You have hundreds upon thousands of graphics to choose from. So you can choose any kind of graphic that you want to manually create a design from as well. And you can use any of these because they're all commercial use. And you have thousands of different fonts as well. So you got all the different options. And once you have your actual full product made, you can go to templates and you can get templates for your listings for like Etsy and those types of things. So you have all sorts of design options available in Kittl here. So let's go ahead and start creating our design. We're going to click create here, and it's going to come up with like a blank page here once it loads. And you can choose what layout you want. So if you want like a t-shirt in specific, if you're not doing laser engraving and you're doing t-shirts, you could do that. But I'm going to just do the standard 1200 by 1200 pixels and click create. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the AI generation here, and we're going to describe what we want. For a super quick, easy project, we're going to do a badge that says ask me about my laser that I can use for laser engraving and all black and white. I'm going to click upload, and we're going to see what that looks like. It's going to take about a minute here to generate, so I'll go ahead and fast forward through this so you can see that. And there you go, it's created the design. So we're going to drag this over here. Now, if you're not happy with this design, you can go ahead and regenerate and create a new one until you are happy with it. But let's just say we're happy with this design and we don't have to do any editing at all. All you could do is upload this to like Illustrator, and then we can make it ready for the laser, which I'll show you here real quick. We're going to just export the design. We're going to call this good. And then I'm going to open it in Illustrator here. So let me go ahead and open that. And I'm going to drag this over to my regular layout that I like, but you can use it within Illustrator however you like here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to shrink it down a little bit here, and we're going to click on Image Trace. What that's going to do is it's going to trace it, and then we're going to click Expand, and it's going to make it into a vector. Now that it's a vector here, we can double click and then single click on the background here so the white is selected. We're going to go to Select, go to Same, Fill and Stroke, and we're going to delete that white section out of there. And now we have a vector here that is ready to use for laser engraving. All you have to do now, if you want to make this into a coaster, like something easy, is draw out a circle that you want, and we'll change that into a cut line here. And now we have to just center these up together. So let's align these together like this. And we now have our coaster. This is ready to engrave. You may want to make this a compound path depending on your laser and how that works. If you need that, you'll go to Object, and then you'll scroll down to Compound Path and click Make. And then it is now a compound path here. You can save this file and then upload it to your laser, and it'll come out looking like a coaster. So that's one way that you can use Kittl for it. Another thing that you can do is you can manually change stuff up too. So if we wanted the same design, we could also add text to this, and we can use any kind of text variation we want. Or if we're not happy with this design, we can just use like the custom text option here and then change out like just a text for our coaster, for example. If we wanted to add a cut line around it, we would do the same thing for this type of text, typing in anything that we want here. Another option that you could do too is, let's get rid of this. We could go to illustrations. We could use any of those thousands of different illustrations that are available, and we can add it on here. So let's say we want like this barbed wire here. We'll go ahead and make that. And then let's scroll down and see if there's anything else interesting. Let's just say this crown here. We'll click on that. We'll put that in the center of our barbed wire there. And then you could go back to text, for example, and you can add your own text to this too. And we could add text either up top if we wanted to, or on the bottom. However you want to do it. Let's go ahead and just add it to the bottom, and we'll move our crown up here like this. That's kind of cool, overlapping like that. And you can create however you want and add any kind of customization you want here. And then you would just follow the same path as well when you go to export it here. So you export the design, bring it into Illustrator, and do those same steps that I just showed you. And then you can add like an offset path for your cut line to make another coaster out of this. So those are just quick variations of all the different combinations that you can do. And this would also be great for like t-shirt designing, like I mentioned earlier, because you can do it in color. It doesn't have to all be black and white. I just prefer to edit in black and white for my laser engraving designs here. Now that you guys know how to use Kittl for laser engraving designs, if you want to try Kittl for free, use the links down in the description below. And if you have any other questions, let me know, and I'll try and answer them in the comments below as well. We'll catch you guys in the next one.